The political atmosphere in Zimbabwe has been simmering for years, but on Tuesday, 10 February 2026, the tensions within the ruling ZANU-PF party reached a critical juncture inside the cabinet room at the Monumtapa building in Harare. A fierce confrontation unfolded between President Emmerson Mnangagwa and his deputy, Constantino Chiwenga. The dramatic clash centered on proposed constitutional amendments, yes, laid bare the deep-seated power struggles that have plagued the party since the ousting of Robert Gabriel Mugabe in 2017. Ndizarabena mashoko ari kuda panguva ino ayo achipena mukuru achinoka kunzi the 2017 coup agreement betrayal. Unpacking Mnangagwa said 2030 game plan. Don't forget subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina panapa mwana umubuda nyoka mchinzi. At the core of this escalating conflict in the proposed Constitution of Zimbabwe Amendment Number 3, Bill 2026, the legislation is the linchpin of what has become widely known as the 2030 Agenda, a strategic maneuver by Mnangagwa's faction to prolong his tenure beyond the constitutionally mandated end of his second term in 2028. The bill proposes significant alterations, including extending presidential terms from 5 to 7 years. More controversially, it seeks to replace direct presidential elections with a system where members of parliament would elect the head of state, a model reportedly inspired by South Africa and Botswana. The 2030 Agenda is widely seen as a profound betrayal of the unwritten gentleman's agreement that underpinned the 2017 military intervention. During the coup that ousted Robert Mugabe, it was understood that Mnangagwa would serve a maximum of 2 terms, thereby paving the way for Chiwenga, the architect of the coup, to assume the presidency in 2028. This implicit agreement, however, appears to have been discarded by Mnangagwa, leading to the current deep-seated animosity. Indeed, the late former President Robert Mugabe himself had reportedly warned Chiwenga about Mnangagwa's character. In his last interview on 15 March 2018 from the Brodel Mansion, Mugabe recounted how he had advised Chiwenga during the coup to take over the presidency himself. Mugabe cautioned that Mnangagwa would use and dump the coup leaders, and that imposing Mnangagwa would ultimately lead to grief, as he would later peg those who had brought him to power. Chiwenga, however, reportedly bowed at the suggestion, perhaps to maintain the narrative that the military was not staging a coup. Ndoma developments aripo muri yeZimbabwe panguva inoi. Inakuma section medu zafungura aim kuti ulipo msari pechitiko ichi. So, subscribe or like, watching on the bell icon.